Have you ever tried to log into an important account only to be met with frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the issue of logging into the WeChat Sandbox and how to resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it is when you revisit a project only to find that something you set up previously no longer works. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users have faced similar issues with the WeChat Sandbox. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently reported that they can't log into their WeChat Sandbox account. They mentioned that after scanning the QR code, they receive an error stating, "Unable to initialize." Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? It might be due to recent updates or changes in the WeChat platform that weren't widely publicized. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and frustration when working with WeChat. To begin resolving the issue with the WeChat Sandbox, the user should first check their internet connection. A stable connection is essential for logging in successfully. Next, the user should clear their browser cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing login issues. After clearing the cache, the user should try logging into the WeChat Sandbox again using the QR code. This step is crucial to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, the user should check for any updates or announcements from WeChat regarding changes to the Sandbox environment. This information can often be found on their official website or forums. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, the user may want to reach out to WeChat support for further assistance. Providing them with detailed information about the error can help expedite the process. Fun fact, did you know that WeChat has over 1 billion users? That's a lot of people trying to log in at the same time. Sometimes, server issues can also cause login problems. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user has shared their experience with the WeChat Sandbox. They mentioned that while they are unable to log into the international sandbox, the WeChat Sandbox is working for them. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your browser updated and regularly clear your cache. This simple habit can prevent many login issues in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to log into your WeChat Sandbox without any issues. Remember, keeping your tools updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle more common tech issues.